Your GIS payment is about to be renewed, but for thousands of Canadian seniors, it will not be renewed at all. Not because they do not qualify, not because the government made a mistake, but because one simple step was missed, and that step has a deadline that has already passed for most seniors. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how GIS renewal works, what happens if your renewal was missed, and the steps you can take right now, before July 29th, to protect every dollar of your supplement. At Canada Pension Map, we break down complex government benefits into simple, clear information, using only official Government of Canada sources. GIS renewal happens every single July, and every single year, thousands of eligible Canadian seniors lose their payments simply because they did not understand how the process works. With July 29th just days away, this is the most important video you will watch this month. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Always consult Service Canada or a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation. Here is the reality. Most seniors assume GIS is automatic. They received it last year, they expect it to arrive again this year. No forms to fill, no calls to make, no action needed, and for most seniors, that assumption is correct. GIS renewal is automatic, but only if one condition is met. Your 2025 income tax return must be on file with the Canada Revenue Agency. That is the only condition, but it is non-negotiable. The government does not automatically tell you when your renewal is at risk. They do not call you in June to say, your tax return is missing, your GIS is about to stop. They simply process what they have. And if your return is not there, your GIS stops on July 29th. Most seniors do not know this. Think about what that means. You may have received GIS for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and on July 29th, it simply does not arrive. No warning, no letter beforehand, just silence in your bank account. According to the official Government of Canada, the maximum GIS for a single senior is $1,109.85 per month. That is over $13,000 per year, completely tax-free, gone, if your tax return was not filed. And here is what makes this even more painful. Every July, Service Canada mails letters to seniors whose GIS has been suspended. But that letter arrives after July 29th, after the payment was already missed, after the money did not arrive. You deserve better than that. So let us go through the process right now, step by step. Let us start with how GIS renewal actually works. According to the official Government of Canada, GIS is renewed every July. The renewal is based entirely on your net income from the previous year. For July 2026 to June 2027, that means your 2025 income tax return. Service Canada connects with the Canada Revenue Agency automatically. If CRA has your return, Service Canada uses that income information to calculate your new GIS amount. The renewal happens in the background. You do not need to do anything extra, but if CRA does not have your return, Service Canada has nothing to calculate from, and your GIS stops. Now let me give you a real example. Meet Barbara. She is 74 years old. She lives in Prince Edward Island. She has received GIS for 8 years. Every July, her GIS is renewed automatically. She never had to think about it. This year, Barbara's daughter was ill. Life was difficult. The tax deadline came and went. Barbara's return was never filed. On July 29th, Barbara's OAS arrives as normal, $743, but her GIS, $650, does not arrive. Barbara calls her bank. The bank sees nothing wrong. She waits 2 days. She calls Service Canada. She learns her 2025 tax return was never filed. Her GIS has been suspended. Here is what that means for you. If there is any chance at all, that your 2025 tax return was not filed, you need to act right now, not after July 29th, right now. Because here is the good news. Even at this late stage, there are still steps you can take. Now, before I get to the most important part of this video, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a benefit update that could affect your retirement. because what I am about to share next surprises most Canadian seniors. Here are your 4 steps to protect your GIS before July 29th. The first step is to confirm your 2025 tax return was filed. Log into your CRA My account at canada.ca. Look for your 2025 tax return status. If it shows as received or assessed, you are in good shape. Your GIS renewal should process automatically. If you do not have a CRA My account, call CRA directly at 1-800-959-8281. That number again, 1-800-959-8281. Tell them you want to confirm your 2025 tax return was received. They will check your file immediately. The second step is to file your return immediately if it has not been filed yet. Even at this late stage, file your return as soon as possible. The sooner Service Canada receives your income information, the sooner your GIS can be processed. Even if your GIS is suspended on July 29th, a late filing can restart your payments within a few weeks. Free tax help is still available through the Community Volunteer Income Tax Program. Search for a location near you at canada.ca. Even seniors with zero income must file. A return showing zero income is still a valid return. The third step is to use the Statement of Estimated Income form if your income dropped in 2025. This is the step most seniors never hear about. If your income dropped significantly in 2025, for example, if you retired, if your spouse passed away, or if you stopped receiving RRIF income, you do not have to wait until next July to see a higher GIS. You can file a form called the Statement of Estimated Income, Form ISP-3041, directly with Service Canada. This allows your GIS to be recalculated based on your current year's lower income. Your payments can increase within 2 to 3 months. You can download Form ISP-3041 at canada.ca or request it by calling Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914. That number again, 1-800-277-9914. The fourth step is to check your new GIS amount after July 29th. After July 29th, log into your My Service Canada account at canada.ca. Click on Old Age Security. You will see your new GIS amount for July 2026 to June 2027 clearly listed. If the amount is lower than expected, compare it to your 2025 income. If something looks wrong, call Service Canada immediately at 1-800-277-9914. And one final important fact, the GIS earnings exemption allows you to earn up to $5,000 in employment income completely free from any GIS reduction. Only 50% of the next $10,000 in employment income counts against your GIS threshold. If you are working part-time, this exemption could protect a significant portion of your supplement. Let us go over the most important things you learned today. GIS is renewed automatically every July, but only if your 2025 tax return is on file with CRA. The maximum GIS for a single senior is $1,109.85 per month, completely tax-free. If your return was not filed, your GIS stops on July 29th. Confirm your return was filed by logging in to CRA, My account at canada.ca, or by calling CRA at 1-800-959-8281. If your return was not filed, file it immediately. Free tax help is available through the Community Volunteer Income Tax Program at canada.ca. If your income dropped in 2025, use Form ISP-3041 to request an early GIS increase based on your current year's income. Download it at canada.ca or call Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914. After July 29th, check your new GIS amount at My Service Canada account and call immediately if anything looks wrong. Do not leave this money on the table. July 29th is coming, but you still have time to act. You now know exactly what to do, and that knowledge is worth every dollar of your GIS. If this video helped you today, please subscribe to Canada Pension Map. Every day we give you clear, honest, step-by-step information about your government pension benefits. No jargon, no confusion, just the facts from official Government of Canada sources. Drop a comment below right now. Tell me, did you already confirm your tax return was filed, or did this video help you catch something you almost missed? I read every comment and I will personally do my best to help. And if you want to keep learning, watch our next video on what to do if your GIS is suspended, exactly how to restart your payments as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching Canada Pension Map. Take care of yourself and protect every dollar you have earned.